Good morning. I'm Dr. M. Fatima. Today I'm taking transconductance amplifier. First, we see what is the difference between transconductance and transresistance. Transconductance is the ratio of variation of current at the output terminal to the voltage at the input terminal. This is denoted by GM. GM equal to I upon V. That is output current divided by input voltage. Next is transresistance. This is the ratio of variation of output voltage to the input current. So this is denoted by Rm, and this is equal to output voltage divided by input current. Now this diagram is showing the equivalent circuit of the transconductance amplifier. Vs is the source voltage, Rs is the source resistance, Rn is the input resistance, GmVn is representing the current source, and output resistance is denoted by R out, and RL is load resistance. I out is the output current. So see, the transconductance is denoted by Gm. Let it be equal to this. Gm equal to I out upon V in. This I out is the output current and V in is the input voltage. So keep this thing in mind, that the output current must be infinite, must be high, and the input voltage, whatever the voltage given to the input, it should be available at the input side also. So V in this must be equal to infinite or equal to source voltage. V in must be equal to source voltage. To keep these things in mind, we can calculate the input resistance and output resistance for transconductance amplifier. So first see here the source voltage Vs is taken. That's why the Vs is considered here, and Rs is connected in series, and Rn is also connected in series. Whereas output current is considered here. That is the we have to consider here the current source. That's why GMV in this current source is connected here. In parallel of this, output resistance is connected, and then load resistance is also connected here. Now come to the value of input resistance and output resistance. For this, it is required to keep V in equal to Vs. For this purpose, this R in value, if this R in value is equal to infinite, it means the maximum voltage will be available here. That is, the Vs will be equal to V in if the drop across this is very small. So the required value or desired value of input resistance is infinite. To keep this output current equal to infinite and maximum, if we want that this output current, maximum output current flows through to the load resistance, for this keep this output resistance equal to infinite. So this part will be open circuited and maximum current will be flowing through the load resistance. So the input resistance must be infinite and output resistance must be infinite. So the output current will be proportional to the input voltage. So this is about the transconductance amplifier. This completes this lecture. Thank you.